How to check travel funds on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to southwest.com/travel funds. Here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on flight credit. There, add your first name, your last name, and your confirmation number. After you have added your confirmation number that is sent to you via email or your SMS, add and then press on check funds. After you click on check funds in here, you'll find your travel funds of your Southwest Airlines. You can scroll through it to find more information as well. And this is how to check travel funds on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.